constitutional task of receiving and weighing the parties'
No!
evidence and ultimately to decide whether these pieces of evidence justify either a judgment of
Fuck you.
conviction or acquittal, guided only by its
No.
members' conscience
No.
and their solemn
No.
oath to do impartial justice.
Yes.
The present undertaking of this
Yes.
court, therefore, not only carries the weight of the
No.
Constitution, but also the imprint
Yes.
of our nation's history,
No.
because the Filipino people have
Yes.
shown that they can
Yes.
do
Oh.
that. We,
Bit.
as a nation,
Na kaya, naraong.
but why
Naraong,
is the act
bukog.
of remembering important?
Pao, bukog.
What does it matter to our history and to ordinary
Hmm?
Filipinos?
Where?
Because in this trial,
Ay, ang bukog.
prosecution purposes
Wait lang.